Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your App Store is not connected or you cannot connect with the App Store, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back and here you have to scroll in the control setting and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to simply go back and just scroll down, look for date and time section, and you just have to make sure that your toggle to set your date time automatically is enabled. If you find it disabled, so you can also try to select your time zone from here, then enable this to set date and time. After that, go back from here. I also recommend you have to check for software update. If you find any pending software update, you just have to try to update your software. After updating your software, go back, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have almost or up to 10 GB free with the iPhone storage to download, install, and run any apps smoothly. So once you have done, you just have to go to App Store and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also go to Settings app again and here go to Screen Time Settings, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes your App Store has been restricted to use your Wi-Fi or your network. So just once you have done, you have to simply go back and go to App section and here go to App Store, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled some necessary settings for your app stores. Once you have done, just simply go back. I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhones. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, you have to go to settings again, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, and here just select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with any of your network setting, it will be fixed in this step. This step will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After doing this, your issue must have to be fixed. But if some conditions, if your issue is still not fixed, this is the only way. You have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, and here and just wait for this loading and then tap on Get More Help, tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.